Hello guys, let's make a simple recipe, a simple dinner. So first we start with these bananas. They are raw bananas, so we are going to start by peeling them off, and then after peeling them off we make a very simple recipe. Let's make this recipe with me, guys. We start by peeling these bananas off. So here are they are very raw, so we peel them like this. We start peeling them off. We remove this outer part because we want to cook it differently, but some people use this outer part too, especially when it's being used as breakfast. In this case we are using these bananas as a dinner. So this is what we do. So this is a simple recipe that you can make at home, especially when you're tired from work and you don't need to cook heavy stuff. So this can be the best. So here, okay, so we do the same for the rest of these bananas. Then the third one, still moving. Don't be tired, guys. As you continue watching, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like my videos and comment down below and tell me whether you like this recipe. Please, guys, it's road to 1000 subscribers. Let's do it. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is the third one. So we are done with the third one. And then we now wash it. Go to the fourth one. So this is the fourth and the last one. And then we wash. So we are done. This is the last one, guys. So we're going to wash them, but before we wash we're going to discard this. So we're going to discard this. In Africa, these ones are used as animal feeds. Of course, we are in Africa still, but here where I'm staying, there's no way I can give, no animal to give. So we're going to put them aside, and then we wash using this. So we wash first. So after washing, we're going to cut them into pieces. So it's my first time trying this recipe, and I know it's going to be very, very delicious. I trust myself. Okay, so we chop it into nice shape. I love this shape, so we're going to do it this way. That's the first one. And then the second one, we chop them into nice shapes. Wow, so that's the second. And then the third one, guys, is still moving. We cut them into nice shapes. And then the last one. So guys, this recipe is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. You can try make it at home. Let's see how it goes. So guys, as you can see, I'm just done chopping my bananas. They look so nice, and then shapes that I like so much. So guys, after this, we're going to boil them using this pan. So we pour some oil here. So this recipe, I'm going to make it with the meat. Tutatumia nyama, so boil both nyama and we're going to boil the meat and these pieces of bananas, and then we make it with rice. Yes guys, so this is what we're going to do. So after this, we're going to put it in a gas, so that it cooks. After the oil has boiled, then we put these bananas inside, and then we also put together with the boiled meat. I already boiled the meat, and then we see the final product, guys. Yes. Oops. So we're just lighting our stove here, and then we put the oil just that way. Then after putting our oil here, right over there, so the oil is right over here, and then we'll wait for the oil to boil. After it boils, we'll put those pieces. We have already boiled meat here, and then we have this one too. So we're going to put this and this together, and then they boil until they turn golden brown, and then we make a stew. Yeah, so we're still waiting for the oil to boil. So guys, as you can see, we have already added the banana chops, and our meat right over there. So we're waiting. So guys, you can try this at home. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Yes. So we'll leave them for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll remove them and put them in a different bowl. and then we start now making the stew for the same. Naonyesha watu hivi. Naonyesha watu hivi. Moja nizikate kate kwa.
Basi basi nimechukua sana.
Siko sawa imetoka.
So as you can see now, I'm grating this because you see grating actually gives the best outcome. You want to measure kata, it's not the best thing to do. You just grate them so that you can get that thick paste. Oh, so we are doing. So I think I need more tomatoes. That's why I'm grating. I think this is the third tomato. End of cooking. So you can see we are done grating.
So guys, this is the final recipe. So we have, this is turmeric, we have carrots here, we have fresh milk, and then we have the final product that I showed you of those bananas and some meat, and then we have here is grated tomatoes, and then we have 1 cup of rice, and then we have salt. So these are the things that we're going to use for this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can make this recipe. It's a very simple one. You can make it at home and anytime you like. So let's do this, guys.